September 22nd, 2022, about 8:25 a.m. Central Time. So a little bit better in the opening, at least in the stock indices. They languished early on in the morning when I got up, 3:34, and they've been picking up ever since then. And what you're also seeing is the metal markets have come alive, copper especially up nearly 5 cents. In foreign currency trade, it's sort of wobbling like this. What's going on? Because you were even up in the energies, well off the 7,200 level in the crude and coming back up here into the 74. Don't know. That's just the honest answer. The market's sort of in this funny period. Today saw the new jobless claims. I'll get to those in a minute. Tomorrow we get PPI number, next week CPI number, and then the FOMC. So you're in this period right now where you're looking to see each report. What are they showing? Are they showing that things are falling, that the Fed lag inflation is kicking in, or what? Well, when we come over and we take a look at example jobless claims, they're at 230. The market was looking for that. They estimated it there, and they got what they thought. But you are seeing the continuing claims climb, and that's a good sign. It means it's getting harder for those that aren't employed to get a job. That's what that typically means. They're not finding it as fast. Energy analysts are looking for the EI natural gas storage report to come in with a draw of only 30 billion cubic feet. That's way under the average in what it was last week. And I'll bring this up because it's a day without a lot of news. In labor, New York Times staffers vowed not to work Thursday because it's the first strike, by the way, in 40 years. They haven't been able to make any headway in 2 years with another union. And in the UK, you're starting to hear all this type of talk coming out right now about rail strikes and how it's going to affect the pub and restaurant business, which this is the heart of their season. If you don't make it in a restaurant business, you got a problem at Christmas because it's about 30% of your value, be it in America, other places, the corporate events that book out the rooms, so on and so forth. Not the best thing that could be happening. But as I said, what's going on is we are seeing some movement where we're getting more jobless claims, where some of the government reports that are coming out aren't as stellar as they were, but they're not terrible. So it's this stickiness that we're still seeing. We're waiting for that breakthrough when you get a hot PPI, when you get a hot CPI, or the opposite, when they come down. And that's what I think we're all looking for, with the numbers, instead of hot, get ice cold. They really start dropping away on these. Then the Fed has an idea that their lag time is kicking in and things are going right. Until then, where do you go? Well, you can see bonds and notes in front of the reports tomorrow and so on. They're going to get a lot more volatile. This isn't just going to stay like this. If you think that, you are seriously wrong. This market's going to start anticipating just what I am saying. So this is the time where you want to figure out what your strategies might be. And with that in mind, in our futures trading kit, we include this as well. This is profitable trading strategies in any market. A vehicle coming out from Futures Magazine, price protection, the basics, how to trade, the flat baseline pattern. It's similar to some of the things I teach in my courses. It gives you the examples, where you're at with it. Just some phenomenal pieces that I think go hand in hand with all these trade ideas. So if you're looking for more knowledge, I think we have it. I think we can work that with you. How do you get more of this knowledge, and how do you put things together? Well, you just go to our website. Under free offers, they'll be there, and we'll have new free offers coming up this year very shortly, a lot of them. Or you can click up here, just move your cursor there, you'll see an icon, give it a click, and away you go. Choose from any of the offers you see there. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great day. Remember what I said, tomorrow it gets full of the action, and then into next week, that's when things will pick up. I'm Ira. You have a good day.